Standard units of measurement. In the previous session, we had seen the need and importance of using standard units of measurement. In this session, we will see some of the standard units of measuring objects. At the end of the session, you will be able to
identify the various units of measurement, identify the various units of measuring length of objects.
Now let's see the various units of measurement. The units of measurement are of different sizes. There are small units of measurement to measure small things. There are big units of measurement to measure big things. You normally buy the groceries and vegetables for your household in terms of kilograms and grams. Kilograms and grams are the standard units of measuring weights of objects. Similarly, hour, minutes, and seconds are standard units of measuring time. Also, degree Celsius is a standard unit of measuring temperature of objects. We also have some standard units of measuring length, which we will use in our tailoring course. We can measure how long things are, or how tall, or how far apart they are. These are all examples of length measurements. Let's see some of the standard units of measuring length. Kilometers, meters, centimeters, feet, inch are the standard units of measuring length. While kilometer is a unit of measuring long distances, meters, centimeters, feet and inches are used to measure short distances. We will primarily use only meters, centimeters and inches as the units of measurement in our course. Now let's see each of these units of measurement in detail. Centimeter is a very small unit of measuring length. It is usually denoted by cm. A fingernail is about 1 centimeter wide. We will use this unit of measure while purchasing fabric from the shop. Meter is another larger unit of measuring length as compared to centimeters and is denoted by m. Meters can be used to measure the length of a house or the size of a playground. The height of the door handle from the floor is approximately 1 meter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, which also means that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Inch is another important unit of measure which will be used in the tailoring course. The symbol for inches is, there are 2.5 centimeters in an inch, which also means that 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. An inch is roughly the measure from the top knuckle on your thumb to your thumb tip. We will use the inch unit of measure for taking body measurements and for marking and cutting on fabric. In this session, we have seen the various standard units of measuring length of objects. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the key points. Centimeter is a very small unit of measuring length. It is usually denoted by cm. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. We will use the inch unit of measure for taking body measurements and for marking and cutting on fabric. With that, we have come to the end of the session.